What if I told you that $300 Miracle Collagen could be doing the same thing as a pot of chicken bones? Welcome back to Weird But Well, the channel where we put wellness trends under the microscope, especially when they come with a hefty price tag and even heftier claims. Today, we're pitting two titans of the beauty and joint health world against each other: collagen pills versus bone broth. We're not just guessing, we're breaking down the science with some hypothetical but scientifically accurate $300 lab test results. Are these truly the secret to eternal youth and pain-free joints, or just another clever way to lighten your wallet? Let's crack open the truth. So, first, what exactly is collagen? It's the most abundant protein in your body, the fundamental building block for your skin, bones, muscles, tendons, ligaments, and other connective tissues. Think of it as the scaffolding that holds your body together, giving your skin its elasticity and your joints their bounce. As we age, our natural collagen production declines, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and creaky joints. And that's where the wellness industry swoops in. The promise of collagen pills and bone broth is simple, yet incredibly seductive. Consume collagen, and your body will magically absorb it, reversing the clock and patching up those worn-out parts. Collagen pills offer concentrated doses of hydrolyzed collagen, while bone broth is touted as a natural, whole food source of gelatin, which is cooked collagen. Both are marketed heavily for glowing skin, stronger nails, luscious hair, and pain-free joints. But what really happens when you ingest collagen? Let's imagine we ran a $300 lab test on your digestive system. We track that fancy collagen pill and that wholesome bone broth from your mouth all the way through your gut. And here's our first lab result, direct from your stomach. Surprise! Your body treats all proteins the same. Whether it's a collagen pill, bone broth, a steak, or a handful of beans, your digestive system breaks it down into its fundamental building blocks: amino acids. It doesn't recognize collagen molecules from a supplement and magically transport them to your skin. It just sees amino acids. Our next lab result shows where those amino acids go. Once broken down, your body sends those amino acids wherever it needs them most. If you're healing a wound, they go there. If you need new muscle, they go there. If you're deficient in protein, they go there first. Your body's internal priorities might not align with your desire for wrinkle-free skin. You're providing the raw materials, but your body is the architect, deciding what to build and where. So, when you take a collagen pill or drink bone broth, you're essentially giving your body a highly digestible dose of amino acids, which are the ingredients your body uses to make its own collagen. You're not directly putting collagen into your skin. What's our final $300 lab test verdict? Both collagen pills and bone broth do provide amino acids that are beneficial. For some, they may even find improvements in skin hydration or joint comfort, potentially due to the amino acid supply, the placebo effect, or simply improving overall nutrition. But here's the why though moment. Those amino acids aren't exclusive. You can get the same building blocks, often much cheaper, from a diverse protein-rich diet: eggs, meat, fish, dairy, and even plant-based proteins. The premium price tag on many collagen products is largely for convenience and marketing, not for magical, exclusive benefits. You're just paying for protein. So, while a warm mug of bone broth can be comforting and a collagen pill might add protein to your diet, let's not confuse a protein supplement with a magic wand. Your body knows how to make its own collagen. It just needs the right ingredients, not necessarily the most expensive ones. The content on this channel is for informational and entertainment purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any decisions about your health or treatment. We explore unconventional topics, but our discussions are not endorsements of any practices or products mentioned. What's the most expensive anti-aging secret you've ever heard of? Share your stories and your budget-friendly wellness tips in the comments below. If you found this dive into pricey proteins both weird and well, hit that like button and subscribe to Weird But Well for more. Until next time, stay well and keep an eye on those marketing claims.